Hi you all! Today I'm making some beautiful phone cases. The technique that I'm going to use today makes use of non-toxic materials and is so versatile that you can decorate your own phone case in countless ways. I found this very beautiful floral design tattoo which I think will look great on my regular transparent phone case. Before starting, I already tested a small piece from the tattoo to make sure I don't mess it up on my phone case. This design is a little big for my phone case, so I will cut and remove a large design that I want on my phone case. I'll also remove these little butterflies so that I can add them later to fill in the blank spaces. I'll make the outlines and the openings in the case so that I can cut that too. It will also be a guide for me when I'm placing my tattoo. Clean the case and put the tattoo in place. Now slowly apply water on the tattoo until it is soaked. Cross my fingers. Remove gently. Wow, this turned out great and looks best with a white background. Let me show you. Now I'll put some butterflies that I saved earlier. This turned out so beautiful, but it is not waterproof yet. So we have to coat it with the sealer, which can make it long lasting. There are two types of sealers available in the market. First is using sealer sprays, which some YouTubers suggest, but I found out that these spray cans are full of warnings for fumes and have various harmful chemicals, and I don't want all those nasty chemicals around me or anyone else. After all, it's a craft project that I'm making for fun. Like any other videos on my channel, I try to avoid chemicals and find better ways of doing things. If you are new to my channel, do click the subscribe button and check out my other videos. Now let's talk about the second option. I looked further and found that sealers that need to be applied by brush are much more safer. There were some brands like Mod Podge that mention non-toxic on their cans. So I took it and that is what I'm going to use today. If you live outside US, there might be different rules and regulations on warnings, so just be careful and choose wisely. Take some good amount of sealer on a foam brush and apply long strokes in the same direction. It dries quickly to a transparent coat. Whoa, it's perfect, and I like the texture that foam brush left. It looks good on my black phone, but the colors will truly pop out if I put a white insert in my phone case, and it looks lovely. So if you like this video, please click the like button and the subscribe button to get more videos like this.